name is Isiaka Taiwo. I'm a Nigerian. I was introduced to Forerunner Health Services and Dr. Bojwani by a family friend in Nigeria, and that started my journey to India. Sent me a letter of invitation that I took to the embassy for visa application. Myself and my wife are granted visa for me to be able to come for medical treatment in India. Recently in Nigeria, about 2 months ago, I had difficulties in breathing, and having done some tests, precisely chest X-ray, ECG and echo, my doctor advised that I should still do angiograph. Angiograph is only available in one hospital in Nigeria, and it will cost time, and so to have the thing done in time, so my doctor advised that it's better I come to India if I can afford the cost to come. So God provided, and I came down. So I was received at the airport by workers of Forerunner Health Services, and I was driven right from the Mumbai International Airport to another local airport where I boarded another flight to Nagpur. At Nagpur, I was received too at the airport and driven to an hotel where I stayed for a day before I was admitted into the hospital. I was brought to hospital by Forerunner Health Services and Dr. Bojwani. So, and I had series of tests. My blood sample were taken, my kidney, my liver were assessed for proper functioning, my heart too was checked, and I had a series of tests on heart check, starting from the ECG, milk test, and head-up test, including angiograph. So after the angiograph, it was found out that there was no blockage in my heart, and there was no heart disease as well. Then, because of the stories I've had in Nigeria and the experience of people that I've been told of, I demanded that brain scan and EEG be done. So we did the two tests, and gave further assurance that no abnormality was discovered both in my brain and in my heart. So I've been placed on some drugs, and I've been advised to follow my drugs properly. I have been also advised on some conditions to avoid, particularly to avoid very hot environment, and I should not stress myself too much. I should not involve myself in emotional stress. So all this I'm going to observe religiously and take my drugs. Overall, I'm happy with the treatment. The doctors, nurses, and the facilitators, they have done their best. And anxiety like I was in Nigeria, so I'm sure now that there's no issue with my heart, and my brain too has no issue that can cause somebody to have a sudden death. So I'm happy. By staying in India for a week has been very fruitful. Thank God who has made it possible for me to come here, and I pray that I get back home safely. So it has been a wonderful and nice experience. Thank you very much.